Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to create an emergency contact form for tenants using the Quiz and Survey Master plugin. Consider that I am an owner of an apartment building where I have several tenants. Due to changing weather conditions and external issues, I must make sure that my tenants are safe. Hence, I'm using the QSM plugin to create an emergency contact form for the tenants. I have created a dummy WordPress website using InstaWP. This is the finest platform to create a disposable WordPress website and test your ideas and tools for free. Here, you can build a quick disposable WordPress website in no time by just clicking a button. I have installed already the QSM plugin on the website. To learn how to install and configure the QSM plugin on your website, click on the information card in the top right corner of this video. Let's start by creating a survey form. Number 1 is to hover over QSM, then click on Quizzes or Surveys. Second is once you click on Create New Quizzes, Surveys, or Add New button, we'll see a collection of themes for the survey. QSM has a collection of stunning themes, but I don't require a theme for this survey, so let's go with the default theme and click on Next. Now, on the quiz setting page, we get an option for the initial setup of our form. I'm setting a name for the form and selecting what kind of form we are using. You can even set up a time limit on your survey if required, and you could select if you wish to show your survey only to the logged-in users. In my case, I don't need those, so I'm just skipping those and clicking on Next. Now comes the add-on page, where we get to see the most popular add-ons of QSM. You could select any add-ons as per your requirements to add more features to your forms, quizzes, or surveys. Currently, I don't need any feature add-ons, so let's click on Create Quiz. We have reached the Questions tab, where we can enter our questions for our customers. Let's start by entering some questions into our survey. Let's start with the first one to ask our tenants about their contact information related to parents or guardians in the case of an emergency. After entering the question, you can select the type of question from the drop-down on the right-hand side. I am selecting the short answer type question here. If you want, you can mark the question as required so that the question can't be skipped. Then, click on Save Question. Our first question is saved. Let's click on Create a New Question at the bottom of a duplicate button on the Questions tab. On the second question, I want to check about an alternative contact number for their work-related issues. I'm selecting the short answer type question again. Once you've filled in the contact question, then click on Save Question. Let's move to the next question by clicking on the Create New Question or Duplicate button. Here, I want to collect the emergency email address so that I can send detailed information via email if I fail to contact you on phone. Once done, click on Save the Question. All the questions are saved. Let's set up a contact field to collect the details of the tenant. Click on Add New Field, select the field type, and label it as Name in case of emergency. Let's add another contact field to take the date. Let's select the field type as Date and label it as Date. Let's add one more field to take the address of the tenant. Select the field type and label it as Address. Then click on the Save Contact field. Our question for the form is set and the contact field is configured to collect the user details. Let's preview our form by clicking on the preview icon at the top right corner of the page. As you see, we have successfully created the emergency contact form for tenants, and it works just right. That's all for this video. How do you plan on using QSM plugin? Let us know in the comments section. Stay tuned for new tips on using QSM plugin. Until next time, stay safe and bye-bye.